Hello and welcome to another update video about Jupiter. Jupiter hasn't been covered for a while, but yeah, I think Jupiter now is very deep in support, and I want to share with you what we now need to see in order to be able to confirm that Jupiter chart has actually bottomed in this B wave pullback. I'm tracking here on this chart an ABC structure to the upside, A wave up, possible 5-wave move, B wave correction, might be complete, but price action isn't super convincing yet, but this has a potential to turn into a 5-wave pattern. I will zoom in a minute, and if we get those 5 waves, we have a first confirmation that a low is in. Basically, we need to see the price get to 1.074, so $1.07, $1.08 in 5 waves. If it's not in 5 waves, I haven't got any confirmation that a low has formed. Okay, we really need that, because if we don't get that, like here, where we only had 3 waves up, it can easily fail and make another low. Okay, doesn't mean it couldn't rally, of course. I mean, this was also a rally from the 13th of April low, where the price bottomed at 76 cents all the way up to $1.30, but it was not in 5 waves, as you can probably see. Invalidation point for any bullish scenario is down here around 45 cents, but the ideal support for this B wave is 59 cents. I mean, the lowest ideal support. This is the range where we normally want to see such a B wave reverse between 59 cents and 89.5. However, B waves can go lower than wave 2s, so it's not necessarily a surprise if a B wave goes below that 78.6 fib level. That's the problem when we talk about ABC structures. When we're dealing with a very young chart like this one, I prefer to show it just an ABC structure, because the history is limited. I mean, this could be a 1-2, but it could also be an AB. So I'd rather warn people and keep expectations at bay, because only in the rarest of cases this would really turn into a large 5-wave move. So if we consider then a possible target for wave C, and it's even, you know, this is far away still, you know, let's see if we get there. $2.90 would be the 100% extension level. That's typically a common ideal target for a C wave. So let's see if we get there. ABC, that C wave would be a 5-wave move, and that, you know, that first wave there, that first wave consists of 5 waves. It ideally does. Possible that it's going to be a 3-wave move. Then we're dealing with the C wave as an ending diagonal. Difficult to manage in that case. But we are watching for a 5-wave move. Now, it's possible that this is an initial 1-2 setup. Looks to me as if this might turn into a diagonal, wave 1, leading diagonal, but a 5-wave move, okay? So wave 1 structures can turn into diagonals. So in that case, the wave 1 would be a 5-wave move, but the subwaves are corrective. I will add it to the chart like that. So we have 5-wave move potentially projected here. That doesn't mean it has to happen. That's not me predicting that's happening. That's far from it. That's me saying that, okay, we have a possible 5-wave move that could develop here. This is what I need to see. The market needs to prove that a 5-wave move develops. And if that 5-wave move has developed, then we have an interesting setup, because then it's time to get excited, because the correction, yeah, could then be a pullback trade setup. Actually, I'm gonna lift the wave degree once more. And until I get the 5-wave move of that wave degree, there's no confirmation a low is in. But there is a potential, and the advantage of this is we get a very clear invalidation point. The first invalidation point for this microstructure is the circle wave 2 low, which is defined at, or located at, basically 76.9 cents. Any break below that would mean, okay, maybe a wider wave 2 is unfolding. But then the next invalidation point is here at 67.7 cents, the 24th of June low. Any break below that will mean that the B wave is extending, or maybe something more bearish is going on. If this is really a 5-wave move up, then circle wave 3 should reach $1.02 or higher, and circle wave 5 $1.07 or 1.074 or higher. Those are sort of, let's say, minimum expectations. That's the update about Jupiter. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.